Hello guys, today we try to see 5 things you can do when the market is down, so stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim. I am your teacher and coach. So we try to see 5 things you can do when the market is down. Now, why is that? Understand that sometimes when we have a long uptrend, like the uptrend that we have seen from 26 December until now, okay, in May, you see that the uptrend changes to be a correction or a downtrend. It means things are doing worse. And the majority of the stocks in the stock markets are going down. So you can go long, yes, but the stocks that you can find are few. Okay? Now, the first thing you can do is sell all your long positions. It means if you have long positions and they begin do not well, and you see that you begin either to lose money from your principal, let's say you just begin with 1 week or 2, or long positions. Long positions, for example, you have a position 2 months or 3 months or 4 months, and you are good and you are making money, but you see that things stop and now it's a downtrend. So the more the stock is going down, the more it takes your money. So what you should do, you just exit those trades, and you have cash in your account and you do nothing. So this is the first thing for those who are scared when the market is down and they don't know what to do really. Okay? So because having your money as cash and it is safe, it means you are not losing money. This is a good thing. Because a lot of people, they don't understand that not losing money is a good thing. Instead of leaving your stocks into the market, you will never know where they stop going down. It could be a very long downtrend, and all your money that you have as profits, and if you bought a stock and it's going down, you will be losing a lot of money. For example, each day you see your broker, you know, this is strange in broker. When you see, he show you the daily only. For example, you lose $100. Let's say you have a position with $10,000, but today you lost $100. You say to yourself, $100 is just little, okay? So I don't worry a lot. But understand that 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you have been losing money each day. So you don't see that. Now when you go to your account, you check your position, how much you lost, and then you find, for example, 800, 1,000, 2,000. This is a big loss. 10%, 15%, 20% of your money is gone forever. And if you stay more, you will have more problems. So my first solution for you is sell those losers and stay on cash and wait until the market is good for you. Okay? Now, let's say now the second thing that I want to show is use put options. Understand that you can play with options. When you see stocks are going down, you just buy 1 contract or 2 or 3. You don't buy too much, and just you leave them. For example, you buy 1 for 1 month or 2 months, and those stocks are going down, you just buy and you leave them. You buy put. So if these stocks continue to go down, you will be making money. But let me tell you something. Do not play with puts. Do not buy too many contracts if you are not a good trader. Because as you might know, put option, the risk is 100%. It means it's not a game for those who don't know. So you should know at least how the put options are going down and how you can make money, and you should have some experience. If you don't have experience, you can just try to have 1 or 2 or 3, depending on your money. Don't buy too much, okay? So this is the second thing. Now, let's see, the third thing is, for those who are day traders, it's a very good thing, because when you see the whole market is down and you find a lot of stocks, it's your feast if you are a day trader, that each day you find stocks and you sell them short, okay? This could be daily, because day traders, you can go long or you can go short daily, because opportunities to find the stocks is daily, because each day in the market you will find the stocks going up and then you find other stocks going down. This is in general the whole year. So it's up to you. If you like selling short and you are good at it, you can make a lot of money, because each day you will find stocks. You just scan for them. And if you don't know, please check my training number 11, how to sell short a stock. Now, the opportunities are more when the whole market is in a downtrend, because you go to bigger stocks. When it is a downtrend, you find most of them are going down, and this is your opportunity to make money. Now, there is something that I spoke yesterday in my live session. Please, guys, for those who have seen my live session, they were with me yesterday at night. I spoke about how to sell short for swing trading, which is a short-term trading. Now, short-term trading, instead of selling short in one day, you can sell short for one stock in many days, because if the stock is going downtrend for many days, many weeks, or even many months, it's not only a few days or few weeks. Some stocks, you go online, you find that they go down for 1 year. Okay? So it's an opportunity to make a lot of money. As you go long in swing trading, an uptrend, and you are making money, you can make money when the stocks are going down. Okay? But there are some risks that you should know, so you should study this. And I did not, believe it or not, I did not make a training for selling short in short-term trading, which is swing trading. But I will make it, if God wills, in this June, and it will be available for you guys. But for those who have my golden subscription or they have my silver subscription, they already know, because I put this weekend, weekend that we are speaking about, I put lessons how to search for these stocks, what kind of stocks and what conditions you can sell short, and the risk, because the risk is too big. So you should understand all this stuff. Now, so we are in the fourth, and the fifth is to use inverse ETFs for indexes. Okay? So you are not here selling short. You are just having ETFs called inverse ETFs. If the index is going down, if you buy this inverse ETF, it means you will be making money. If the index is going down, the ETF is going up, so you will be making money, which is very simple thing. But you understand that you need to have techniques, you have things. I think you should check my training level 18, how to short the whole market, and you will understand that. Now, these are the 5 things that I propose for you guys. So for you, you should choose which proposition or which choice you like. Now, there is another one, which is the 6th one, okay, that I add is to search for stocks that go up, but these are few. You can scan for them, you can find them. I have found one that it is going so good. I have 2 or 3 that are going so good these days, these 3 weeks. Where the market is going down, these stocks are going up. Okay? And you can check them in the golden subscription or in silver subscription. You can search by training level 2, you can find these stocks daily. Okay? Especially IPOs and penny stocks. But for me, try not to go up because the whole market is down. So it's preferable for you, because you don't have experience, to go with the mood of the market. If the market is down, you try to see in terms of probabilities the stocks that are going down, because there are a lot. That's why it is easy to follow the mood of the market, and you can trade easily. Okay? So if you are against the mood of the market, you should be good in selecting stocks. And this needs skill. It needs practice. It needs you search every day. Because this scanning is every day. You can find, yes, you find. I have found, you find stocks. And everyone can find stocks if you have the criteria to choose stocks. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment on this video and share my videos, and please subscribe to my channel if you don't. Thank you very much.